many wood pieces? Wood pieces. This. Take. Wait. Stand here and count. How many wood pieces are there?
1.
Count.
2.
5. Give me 3. 3. Very good. How many you have now?
2.
2. Give me 1. Another 1. Very good. How many you have?
1.
Give me that also. How many wood pieces you have?
0.
Very good. Claps to Bhargav. Go and sit. Come, Ali, come. Take that straws. How many straws you have?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
5 straws. Give me 3. Hello.